Hello everyone and welcome back to my video.
Important points subject to verification and checks during Sire 2.0 inspection of deck operations on a tanker ship. Deck maintenance. 1. Condition of deck plating, pipelines, and fittings, corrosion, wastage, or damage. 2. Integrity and labeling of piping systems, color coding and stenciling for product identification. 3. Adequate non-slip coatings on walkways and decks. 4. Proper drainage systems to prevent standing water or oil residues. Safety signage and equipment. 1. Presence and clarity of safety signage, e.g., no smoking, restricted area, or PPE required. 2. Markings for emergency escape routes and muster stations. 3. Availability and functionality of life-saving appliances, life buoys, mob equipment, etc. Cargo handling systems. 1. Condition and maintenance of manifold connections and reducers. 2. Correct pressure testing of cargo hoses and pipelines. 3. Properly calibrated and maintained pressure gauges, temperature sensors, and other instrumentation. 4. Verification of spill containment systems at manifolds, e.g., drip trays, spill containment mats. 5. Availability and int of manifold strainers. Mooring equipment and systems. 1. Compliance with latest mooring equipment industrial guidance. 2. Maintenance of mooring winches, drums, and brake systems. 3. Condition of mooring ropes and wires, abrasion, kinks, or broken strands. 4. Proper stowage and securing of mooring equipment and mooring lines. 5. Functionality of quick-release hooks, if fitted. 6. Verification of load monitoring systems on mooring equipment where applicable. 7. Inspection of fairleads, bollards, and chocks for signs of wear or damage. Firefighting equipment. 1. Operational readiness of fixed and portable fire extinguishing systems, foam monitors, hoses, extinguishers. 2. Maintenance and accessibility of fire hydrants, hoses, and nozzles. 3. Verification of fire hose pressure testing results. 4. Integrity and signage of fire doors and dampers on deck. 5. Readiness of fire alarm systems and emergency shutdown systems. Tank venting systems. 1. Condition and proper functioning of PV valves and high-velocity venting systems. 2. Calibration and operational checks of overfill alarms and secondary venting arrangements. 3. Clear labeling and maintenance of inert gas, i.g., distribution systems. Pollution prevention equipment. 1. Operational readiness of spill response kits, absorbents, booms, PPE. 2. Proper stowage of oil spill containment equipment. 3. Verification of SOPEP or SMPEP equipment and inventory. Deck lighting and electrical equipment. 1. Adequacy and maintenance of deck lighting, sufficient illumination during night operations. 2. Explosion-proof certification for deck electrical equipment in hazardous areas. 3. Condition of junction boxes, cables, and connections. Drains and bilge management. 1. Functionality and cleanliness of scupper plugs and save-alls. 2. Compliance of deck drains with pollution prevention regulations, e.g., non-return valves. Navigation and communication equipment. 1. Maintenance and visibility of navigation lights and signals. Housekeeping standards. 1. Cleanliness of deck surfaces and absence of oil, grease, or trip hazards. 2. Proper segregation and stowage of tools and equipment. 3. Condition and readiness of lockers for firefighting and spill response gear. Structural integrity. 1. Visual inspection for cracks, deformation, or signs of structural weakness in deck structures. 2. Maintenance and operational readiness of handrails, ladders, and walkways. Deck machinery. 1. Operational checks on deck cranes, derricks, or davits, smooth functioning, limit switches, and maintenance logs. 2. Proper lubrication and absence of hydraulic leaks in machinery. Communication systems. 1. Readiness of portable communication devices, UHF, VHF radios. 2. Proper procedures for maintaining continuous communication between deck and control room during cargo operations. Access and security. 1. Properly rigged and secured gangways and accommodation ladders. 2. Availability and condition of safety nets under gangways. 3. Compliance with the ship security plan, including access control measures on deck. Permit to work system. 1. Verification of permits for hot work, enclosed space entry, and working aloft. 2. Compliance with safety precautions stipulated in issued permits. Cargo tank and pump room safety. 1. Maintenance and operational checks of tank level gauging systems. 2. Presence of an oxygen analyzer and gas detector in the vicinity of the pump room or deck. 3. Condition and operational readiness of cargo pumps and stripping pumps. 4. Peak store. 1. Operational readiness and maintenance of the educting system. 2. Availability and condition of firefighting hoses and operational pressure testing. 3. Proper stowage and securing of equipment within the 4 peak store. Drills and training. 1. Evidence of deck crew's participation in safety drills and emergency preparedness. 2. Familiarity of deck crew with cargo handling and emergency procedures. Load line markings and freeboard. 1. Visibility and maintenance of load line markings. 2. Correct freeboard and trim as per the loading condition. Compliance documentation. 1. Inspection of records related to cargo operations, deck maintenance, and safety checks. 2. Proper updating of the oil record book, ORB, and deck logbook. 3. Availability of valid calibration certificates for critical deck equipment.
For more videos, subscribe Sailor 360 and stay connected.